Tired of sending the same email over and over again to different people? Imagine if there's a way you can send personalized emails to as many people as you want with just a few clicks. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And in this video we're going to talk about an awesome Chrome extension called GMass. It is a powerful yet easy to use email marketing and mail merge tool that lives right inside your Gmail, so you can use it to send mass personalized emails, run email marketing campaigns and get detailed reports all within the Gmail interface. You don't need any other software. You don't need to learn a new platform. Everything happens right where you already spend most of your time. Now let me show you how it works. First, install the extension by clicking on the link below. Once you have it installed, click on the GMass icon that will open up the sidebar and then click on Get Started. From there, GMass will ask you to create your first list. Now you can create a list manually or you can import a list from a Google Sheet. If you already have your email list in a Google Sheet, which is a spreadsheet, it makes the process much easier. So I would recommend doing it that way. Select the sheet that contains your email list. Make sure that there is a column with the email addresses and optionally a column with people's names. Then select the range. Now GMass will automatically detect the email addresses and start importing them. Now let's say you want to send an email to all these people with their names. All you need to do is add the merge tag for the name. Type in the email subject and the body. You can write a regular email here or you can use merge tags to make it dynamic. For example, you can add the recipient's name with the merge tag Dear Name. You can also add their email address with a merge tag email address and more. Once you're done, click on Send Now or you can schedule it to be sent later. And just like that, you've sent a personalized email to multiple people without having to type each email manually. Now there are many other things you can do with GMass. You can track opens and clicks, you can run A/B tests, create auto follow-ups and much more. To learn more, check out the links in the description below. So there you have it. GMass is a super useful Chrome extension that can save you hours of time and effort when sending bulk emails. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketer, a content creator, or anyone who needs to send bulk emails while maintaining a personal touch, GMass can revolutionize your email communication. No more copying and pasting, no more manual labor, just personalized emails, happy recipients, and better results. So why wait? Click on the link below to get started with GMass today. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next video.